What if you could print any design directly onto a shoe? Every brand wants to stand out, but most shoes look exactly the same.
Painting on shoes wastes time and money.
Meet the XpertJet 461 UF. A UV flatbed printer built for one thing: turning ordinary shoes into extraordinary pieces. It prints directly on the shoe surface: leather, canvas, rubber, in full color, with UV ink that bonds permanently. No transfer, no sticker. The design is part of the shoe. Logos, patterns, art, limited editions. 1 pair or 1,000. The quality never changes. Designed to finished shoe in minutes. Test a new collection today. Launch it tomorrow. No factory, no waiting. UV ink means colors that don't fade, crack, or peel. Built to last as long as the shoe itself. Offer custom shoes in your store. Print while the customer waits. Turn a sale into an experience they'll never forget. The XpertJet 461 UF. Your shoe, your design, your brand on every pair.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit textgraph.com.